Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. We had discussed about what is a research. And today lecture we will discuss about the importance of a research and some characteristics of good research. First, let's discuss about the importance of research, why research is important, what are the outcomes of a research. The first thing is it aids to human knowledge. Research helps us to improve our knowledge. The second one is solve a problem. If there is a problem either in social sciences or biological science, we can solve the problem by conducting a research. Research helps us to solve a problem. For example, in 2019 there was a biological problem that is coronavirus. To cure the coronavirus, scientists conducted research to prepare vaccine for the coronavirus. That was a problem and research were conducted to solve that problem. The third one is improve technology. Research helps us to improve technology. For example, if you think about the mobile phone or even computer when they were found first, how was the phone was first a keypad phone, then it improved into a smartphone. Think about computer, think about other thing like in medical science. There are uh, many things which helps us a lot that is based on research. The next one is build critical thinking. Research helps us to improve our thinking ability to think deeply about something. Now we are going to discuss about the characteristics of good research. How will you identify that either the research is good or not? There are some points. Based on these points, we can describe either a research is good or not. The first one is the research must be systematic. There are some steps for conducting a research. We must follow the steps to conduct a good research. The next one is logical. The research must be based on reasons and evidences. The data which is collected must based on evidences. The next one is the research must be empirical. The data which is collected must be real and not guesses. We have to collect the data which is real based on experiments, not just our guessing. The next one is the research must be replicable. Replicable means if someone else perform the same research, the result must be same or uh, nearly same with the research. The next one is ethical. It is necessary to follow the rules. Let's suppose someone is conducting a research in medical field. He must follow the rules. The one of the rules is do not conduct a research directly on human beings. So ethical and ethics and rules are necessary in a research. And the last one is the research must be original, not just copied of other researchers. So these are some uh, points. Based on these, we can describe a research either a good research or not. We will discuss in next lectures what are the steps which are necessary for the research. So thanks for watching.